Hey there, and welcome to Organic Food Matters channel. We are so glad you are here. If you are a parent trying to feed your family cleaner food while living in the United States of America and keeping an eye on the budget you just found your people, this channel is all about real life organic eating without the pressure or the perfect pantry. We share simple recipes, grocery tips that actually save money, and honest chats about what is worth buying organic and what can wait. We believe good food should feel doable for everyday families. So grab your coffee and stick around. We post new videos every week to help you shop smarter, cook easier, and feel good about what is on the table. Budgeting for an organic family in the United States of America, the real life guide. Let's be real for a second. Feeding your family organic food in the United States of America can feel like your grocery bill is training for a marathon. I've been there. You walk into Whole Foods or your local co-op with good intentions and walk out wondering if you just bought a week of groceries or a down payment on a small used car. But here's the thing. You can make organic work on a normal family budget. You don't need a trust fund, a perfect pantry, or a chest freezer the size of Texas. You just need a plan, a little flexibility, and permission to ignore Instagram perfection. You don't have to buy everything organic overnight. And you definitely don't need to feel guilty when you grab the conventional grapes because they were half the price and your toddler asked for them right now. Step 1. Pick your organic priorities. Trying to go 100% organic on day one is the fastest way to blow your budget and burn out. Instead, figure out what matters most to your family. Ask yourself, what do we eat the most? If your kids crush apples and strawberries like they're going out of style, those might be worth buying organic. What does my family actually like? If nobody in your house has touched a bell pepper since 2019, skip the organic ones. Where is the price gap biggest? In the United States of America, organic meat and berries often have the largest markups. Organic carrots and bananas are often only 20-30 cents more. Use the Dirty Dozen Clean 15 as a loose guide, not a rule book. The Environmental Working Group updates this list every year. It ranks produce by pesticide residue. Many parents start by buying organic for Dirty Dozen items like strawberries, spinach, and apples, and going conventional for Clean 15 items like avocados, onions, and sweet corn. It helps you choose without overthinking every single item. Step 2. Meal planning. Cheers your budget superpower. This is where you win or lose the budget game. Impulse buys and what's for dinner. Panic are expensive, especially with organic prices. Your weekly game plan, check what's in season first. In May and June, farmers markets across the United States of America are full of organic greens, strawberries, blueberries, zucchini, and early squash. Seasonal food tastes better and is usually 20 to 40% cheaper than out of season. Look at store sales, then build meals. Don't pick recipes and hope the ingredients are on sale. See what organic chicken, ground beef, or produce is discounted, then plan around it. Theme your nights: Taco Tuesday, Pasta Wednesday, Soup Sunday. It cuts decision fatigue and lets you reuse ingredients. Roast chicken, Sunday becomes chicken tacos Tuesday and chicken soup Wednesday. Plan for leftovers, cook once, eat twice. A big pot of organic chili can be dinner, lunch, and nacho topping. When you know what you're cooking, you buy only what you need. That means less food waste and fewer $6 organic snack bars that get eaten in the car in 30 seconds. Step 3, shop smarter, not harder. Where and how you shop changes everything. Here's where the real savings hide. Buy in bulk. The price per pound drops dramatically on staples. Hit up Costco, Sam's Club, as your standard, or local co-ops for organic oats, rice, beans, pasta, frozen fruit, nuts, and even chicken. A 40 Toyos bag of organic rolled oats is around $7 and makes 30 plus breakfasts. 2 boxes of organic cereal cost 10 plus and lasts a week. Embrace store brands. They're your quiet superpower. Almost every major grocer in the United States of America has an organic line now. Trader Joe's, Kroger, Simple Truth Organic, Aldi Simply Nature, Target Good and Gather Organic, Whole Foods 365. The quality is great, and you skip the brand name markup of 15-30%. Go frozen. Frozen organic berries for smoothies, spinach for eggs, broccoli for stir fry. They're picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen. So the nutrition is solid. Plus, they don't turn to mush in your crisper drawer 3 days later. They're often cheaper than fresh, especially out of season. Join a CSA. Community-supported agriculture means you pay a local farm at the start of the season and get a box of fresh organic produce every week. The per pound cost is usually lower than the store, and you're supporting a farmer near you. Many farms offer half shares now, so you don't drown in kale. Check localharvest.org to find one near you. Hit farmers markets late. Farmers often discount in the last hour because they don't want to haul produce back. Bring cash and ask, what do you need to move? You'll get deals and build relationships. Step 4, rethink protein. This is where organic budgets go to disappear. You don't need organic meat every night to feed your family well. Stretch your protein dollars, add 2 or 3 plant-based dinners weekly. Lentil sloppy joes, chickpea curry, black bean tacos, and tofu stir fry are cheap, filling, and kid-friendly once you nail the seasoning. A bag of organic lentils is $2 and makes 6 servings. Make meat the side, not the star. Think stir-fries, soups, casseroles, and grain bowls, where a little organic chicken goes a long way. Buy whole and break it down. A whole organic chicken can be roast dinner night 1, shredded chicken sandwiches night 2, and homemade stock for soup night 3. That's $15 to $18 feeding your family 3 times. Watch for sales and freeze. When organic ground beef hits $5.99 lbi instead of $8.99, buy 5 pounds and freeze it in 1 pound portions. Step 5, avoid the organic tax in the middle aisles. The middle of the grocery store is where budgets go to die. Organic cookies, crackers, fruit snacks, and bars cost a fortune for very little nutrition. Instead of $5.99 organic granola bars, try homemade oat muffins or energy balls for about 75% less. Skip the $4.49 organic fruit snacks and do apple slices with peanut butter for 60% less. Ditch the $6.29 organic microwave popcorn and buy bulk kernels for the stovetop. It's 90% cheaper. Trade $5.99 organic crackers for whole grain toast or rice cakes and save half. Stick to the edges of the store. Produce, meat, dairy, bulk bins. Make simple snacks at home. Your kids won't notice the difference, but your bank account will. Step 6, change your mindset, not just your cart. The biggest shift isn't coupons or apps. It's giving yourself permission to be organic-ish. Use the 80-20 rule. If 80% of what you buy is organic and intentional, the 20% conventional isn't a failure. It's life. Shop with a list and a full stomach. Hungry shopping equals $40 of random organic snacks you didn't need. Wash produce well. A vinegar soak helps reduce residue on conventional items if you can't swing organic that week. Track one thing. For 1 month, track only your produce spending. You'll spot patterns and easy swaps fast. Use apps and cashback tools, but don't rely on them alone. Ibotta, Fetch, and store apps like Kroger or Safeway often have organic rebates, but the real savings come from changing how you shop, not just clipping digital coupons. The bottom line for families in the United States of America, budgeting for organic is not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. You decide where your money goes based on what your family eats and values. Some weeks you'll spend more on organic berries because they're in season and your kids love them. Other weeks you'll grab conventional bananas, make pancakes from bulk oats, and call it good. Both choices are fine. You can feed your family well without draining your savings. Start small. Pick 3 to 5 priorities. Plan your meals. Shop smart. Adjust as you go. Organic living is a long game. Give yourself credit for every step you take, because doing the best you can is a huge step. We hope this leaves you feeling a little more confident about making organic work for your family right here in the United States of America. Remember, small steps add up over time. What's your favorite budget organic win? Drop it in the comments. Your tip might be exactly what another parent needs to hear today. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep feeding your family with love and a little bit of strategy. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a new tip. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment and tell us your favorite budget organic win. We will see you in the next video.